We're moving 100 feet that way.
Just in here, changing hydraulic fluid.
Installation day.
I'm Tammy, and this is my husband Scott. We are two artists who traded in our home and art studio for a home studio on wheels. Along with Gracie and Jasper, we've hit the road full-time in search of new landscapes and inspiration. And we'd love to have you join us on our adventures.
The bedroom slide in, trying to remember which number goes with which slide.
We need to mark those.
We're moving 100 feet that way to get an extra hour of sunlight per day. We're not going to lock the doors because we're only going 100 feet. Basically, we could have probably left something cooking on the stove and been okay.
We flow together like an ocean, every low and every high. And I would have you anyway.
We've been waiting to move the rig so that we could do the hydraulics. And what we're gonna do is the hydraulics are popping and they kind of shake the rig. And we're used to it, but it scares Gracie to death. So we looked up what to do thanks to changing lanes. And we have the stuff and we're gonna do that now that we have it hitched up to the truck. And hopefully that problem will be solved. So we're killing a couple birds with one stone.
So we're taking out 32 ounces. My wife wasn't very prepared, so we don't have another container.
Like I said, Scott wasn't very prepared. Just in here, changing hydraulic fluid. I know this looks like a scary movie. It's just that I'm sitting in the compartment to do the hydraulic thing because Scott can't fit. Our bodies are not made for this. That tree is one reason we're moving sites because our slide's like inches from it. It's a lot of work to move 100 yards, but it's more sunny and less tree debris. That wasn't a very long trip.
Come on, we're home.
Come on, Gracie.
We're home.
Yeah, we're back home. Yeah, we're back home. See, we didn't go very far, did we? Yeah.
So all I've got to give you this year for Christmas is this mantle that we're building right now. We've got $28 worth of supplies, plus we paid $5 to have the wood cut for us because we don't have any tools with us, or we don't have saws and straight edges and that kind of thing. So we've got a piece of pine here and we've marked off where we're going to glue. You live in an RV, chances are you might have 2 bottles of
It's okay.
You might have 2 bottles of glue.
Yeah.
And both of them likely might be dried out. So a guy could make $1 million if you figured out how to make a glue bottle that keeps the glue for longer than a year. This is RV construction.
Yeah.
Same way your fifth wheel's been built in the factory.
Babe, don't say that about Grand Design.
No,
They
Grand
won't represent.
Design knows what the hell they're doing.
Even gold won't turn your tide.
Put that
We
there.
flow together like an ocean, every low and every high. And I would have you anyway, dear. Anyway,
What's happening with the mantle this morning?
We're sanding it down.
even if you had to leave,
Okay, we're using Jacobian.
I'd always be waiting here.
We're trying to match the the wood behind in front of the fireplace on the 390. Mantle installation day. So we put in these 2 angle irons. Both of them are anchored into the studs on the back side of the wall.
Yeah. Thank you, babe. It's a perfect Christmas present. Can we decorate it now?
Yep.
Our kids got us this really cool Nick's Play frame. So we're gonna put on the mantle, and they can send us photos, and then when it's playing, we'll just spontaneously see photos or videos of the kids and grandbabies. And it'll be a surprise every time they send one. It'll be really cool. Comes with the remote, and you can set it up however you want. Let's see.
It's booting.
It's booting it. And we can put our little elves next to it. And we can hang our stockings up. It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas. Look, see, it was Adley's birthday yesterday, and there's pictures that we've never seen. It's so fun. Aww. It makes me kind of miss them though. All right, next. Thank you, babe. I love it. It's so much more cozy in here. And it gives us a little spot for the 5 little Christmas things we brought.
Do we need a Christmas tree?
I don't know if we need a Christmas tree this year.
Agreed.
We have our stockings and we have a couple elves. Let's just call it good with that.
Sounds good.
Okay.
Keep it simple, stupid.
Thank you. I love you.
You're welcome.